Vicky here with you, and today I'm here for an unboxing, but it's from a new company that approached me. They're called Fgnormal, and they have all kinds of different crafts. They do have embroidery and diamond painting, and I think paint by number, but I went with different other types of things that I don't typically do, and I thought it'd be fun to share that with you guys. Okay, so here we go. So one of the things that they had was this here, which is wool felt, and I've never done that ever, so I'm very excited to try this out. So basically you have the felt here that you're supposed to form, and then you have these little needle things, and then they have instructions on YouTube, so very cool. So I'm gonna have to try that out. They say how it's easy to break the needles when you do this, and you're a novice and you've never done it. I wouldn't be surprised. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna be trying this out and seeing, because I've never, like I said, I've never done this before, so I have no idea how to do this. But I'm very excited to try, and I love trying new things, so I figured why not, and hopefully you guys won't be too discouraged. But I mean, how cute is this little guy? So I thought if I can make him, that'd be so sweet. So that's one of the things. Then what I also got was this here. This I've done before. You've seen me use this type of seals before. But they had this beautiful kit, which I thought was amazing. And it had a cat. Oh, it's just so pretty. And check out how gorgeous that is. The handle is. And you can remove the handle and put another one if you want. But I chose a beautiful cat. And then you have the little burner and the little candles and some wax, the gold. But there's also these here which melt like a candle, which I thought might be more fun to try than with these. These are nice, but you need to melt them over this, whereas this, I feel like you can just drop it and then seal it. So we're gonna experiment with that. And I thought this was a gorgeous set. How cool would that be as a gift, right? So in the description box below, you will find a link to all these products as well as a discount code, so go and check it out. And then I got this here, which is for paper quilling, and that is also something I've never done. So, well, I've done kind of a bit of something like that for ornaments, but that's it. So basically you make this here, which is like the butterfly and the flowers, and you can see here like the outline of the items. And then there's all kinds of tools that come with this, which is really cool. Whoops. You've got all the tools that you need. So I guess this is the thing that you put the paper and you turn it around on. So there's that tool. And I won't be able to put it back clearly. And then there's another one here. I think this one has the thing at the top where you can put the paper in. Yeah, it's split at the top so that you can. And then you've got these and tweezers. So I'm gonna have a lot of fun playing with these things. I need to go and watch a few videos, I think, because I haven't done that in a while. Well, I've never done it, actually. Like I said, I've done something similar, but not that. I'm so sorry. I breathed in something and it, oh, my nose got suddenly very, very itchy. So I've never done that, and the instructions obviously are not something I can read. So I will need to check out how to do this. But they do have all the different shapes, so I guess they do kind of tell you how to do this. And you're supposed to end up with something like that. So will be interesting to see how I do that. Yeah. So I'm gonna go and check out some videos, and then we're gonna try our hand at it. I thought it'd be fun. I mean, I saw some when I was thrifting one day, I saw some beautiful frame that had paper quilling in them, some sceneries and things. I just thought it was really, really beautiful, and would be something fun to try, and it would be something fun to put on top of a card as well, if I can get the knowledge on how to do this. So I love you guys so much. I hope you go and check out Fgnormal, and like I said, in the description box below you will find the link to all the products, and we shall see how I make this. But it's fun to try new things. I love it. So that's why I chose these things, because I knew that it would be fun to try something different. So that's it. Love you guys. Bye.